In 2077, what makes someone a criminal? Getting car crash?
I hate my car so much. My car again! Dude, he's alright. Off you go.
Excuse me, bro.
Off you go.
Excuse me.
What happened, bro?
Some random battle that was fought in between the fourth one and the fifth one. I have no fucking idea. Oh, they were thinking like, oh, you know what? People
Won't do anything.
Blast!
Won't do that.
Bye.
Yeah, and then like straighter.
Thank you for choosing.
Idiot. Watch it.
Watch it!
Dude, Kevin's a bad driver. I'm not gonna lie.
Kevin is like actually crazy. Like I won't lie to you, he is like actually crazy.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit.
Kevin going crazy right now? Oh my god. Oh. What happened? I look away for 1 second.
Like I barely committed a crime there, dog. Oh my god!
The ultimate force. You freaking ground.
Yeah, I don't know why the cops are like always on me, bro. It's so weird. What the?
Yeah, you guys don't get it.
Shit!
You guys don't get it. I'm good, I promise.
I'm a good guy, bro. It's just that motherfuckers in Night City don't know how to drive, bro. Who the fuck is Rachel? Oh! You!
Oh yeah.
Lose my number.
So there's already precedent. There's already precedent for him making mistakes. Just like has to grade the whole paper.
Oh my god. Now that I say it, it's funny. It's good.
I like.
Are you laughing at a joke from the 14th century?
Bro, whatever, bro.
How did you fall into the water? Fucking dumbass.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
Do that.
I don't know, dude. My car.
You are pissed.
It was awful.
Oh
What the
god.
fuck?
Oh my god.
Without
Without what?
within and without.
What the fuck just happened, bro?
You're a criminal.
Messages. This is turning into a real marriage.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
What? You cannot tell me you were gonna drive your actual car.
Do you hear it crashing into people? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is what is going on, bro?
Holy shit.
I'm sorry, Brandon. I thought this whole entire time it was.
McDonald's to eat. Dad waking you up for McDonald's for breakfast. Man, I'm sorry. You know, no one else is saying anything. I apologize.
It's so crazy that Chicken, Johnny, and them are our parents' age.
Wake the fuck up, samurai. You got some things to do. Dude, I am pathetic. Oh my god.
Are you kidding me? He pinned me against the frickin' thing.
Fuck that guy.
Dude, it's like, seriously, did they playtest these bosses? They did, man.
Like dolphins can swim. Though nothing